indicates how many times the inventory has to be replaced within an accounting period. In this case, 3 times. The higher the inventory turnover figure, the better it is for the business. It represents the length of time a business undertakes to collect money from its debtor or account receivable. The shorter the period, the better it is for the business in terms of its liquidity. If debts are not collected on time, the business may not have enough cash resource to operate. From the example, the business takes 27 days to collect debts from its account receivable. Asset turnover ratio is the ratio of a company's sales to its assets. It is an efficiency ratio which tells how successfully the company is using its assets to generate revenue. There are a number of variants of the ratio like total asset turnover ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, and working capital turnover ratio. In all cases, the numerator is the same, for example, net sales, but denominator is average total assets, average fixed asset, and average working capital respectively. For example, debtor on average have a turnover of 12. Means on average, the debtor buy and pay 12 times per year. Put another way, debtor take an average of 30 days to pay after the sale. If you could decrease the 30 days,
means you are converting your debtors to cash faster. This is what we want.
Opening balance of this year is exactly the same as the closing balance of last year. So, look for this if the opening balance is not given. The debtors have turned over 4.5 times in 1 year, or the debtors have paid you 4.5 times in the year.
The better way is to look at the turnover in days. This is how many days the debtor take to pay you.
The quicker a business turnover its stock, the better. But it is more important to do that profitably rather than sell stock at a low gross profit margin or worse, at a loss. The business has improved its stock turnover with the ratio rising from 8.6 times to 10.2 times per year.
You and I, we're like fireworks and symphonies.